Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So guys, this time I'd like to share you how to create this shatter glass animation, and could you believe that this animation only made by using one picture and you can actually revive it like this. How is that possible? So here in this video, I will show you how. Without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the tool that I will use here is the Meta AI. Why I always use this Meta AI? Because this can help us to create the animation for free and also unlimited, guys. And if you would like to access it, you can simply access it by using your Facebook account or Instagram account, since this Meta AI is still in one management of Meta, which is handled by the Mark Zuckerberg. And you'll see this is the homepage of this Meta AI. And by this Meta AI, you can also create not only the animation, but also, let's say, create a video from your photo, or you can revive it. And also you can as something in general, or you can also create the picture. And if you scroll down, you will see the picture that the video or the clip that has been made by a lot of users over here. Isn't that cool and very realistic, right? So we can start to create this animation, and I will start to add the picture like this. Or if you don't have any the picture of this shattered glass or the broken glass, don't worry, you can also create the picture first. For example, I will show you. Create the picture of the shattered or broken glass in the window, for example. And which window, you can also put the detail, let's say in your car window, or maybe the room or apartment windows. You can put the detail over here. And also the glass is broken due to get hit by a rock, for example. Or you can also put the detail like get hit or get hit by the, let's say, a ball, for example, right? And I will start to create the picture first over here, and kindly wait for the result. And if you would like to create, let's say, the animation or the picture from this prompt, so you will have 4 samples of the picture like this. And after that, you can start to create this into the animation. Or you can also do the refine this picture by do the editing. Or you can also create the another one. For example, show the rock who that had just hit the glass, for example, like that. You can always have a perfect or build the conversation from the, let's say, from the imperfect into the perfect prompt until you get the perfect picture like this. And after that, you can start to, let's say, revive the picture. For example, I will choose this one. And after that, you can continue to animate it and kindly wait for the result. Basically, this is the way if you would like to change the picture into the animation, or you can create it from the prompt first, and after that it will create it into the picture, and after that you can revive it into the animation. Basically, that was the way I used before to create this picture first, and after that you can continue to animate it, and you'll see this is the video animation that we got over here. Isn't that cool and super realistic, right? So that's all guys, I hope this video finds you helpful, and don't forget to try this method to create your own animation, and don't forget to do the detail information. If you would like to create the animation, the more detail it will show you the very good and also super realistic view. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it in a comment section, because we would love to share comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.